Hi people, welcome to MSK Junction and it's our MSK. Today, you will be witnessing a peculiar form of an idol which can cure your illness and diseases, even though the idol is made up of poisonous substances. Please do watch the video till the end, surely it will be worth it. So, let's start. Firstly, let's look into the creator who created this idol, in short. This idol was made by a yogi called Bogar. He is a South Indian by birth. As per his guru's order, Bogar proceeded to China to spread the knowledge of Siddha sciences. He even demonstrated to the Chinese the details of the construction of the aircraft and a sea-going craft using a steam engine. The details of these and other extraordinary experiments are documented in the Saptakanda, which is a manuscript. Here comes our topic. One of his creations was the famous Murugan Vigraham or idol, made out of 9 poisonous substances that is called as Navapasanam. This idol is in Palani, Tamil Nadu. Navapasanam is one of the most acclaimed Siddha potions known to mankind. Nava means 9, Pasanam means poisonous substances. You may think or ask, why the idol should be made out of poisonous substances? But there is a reason for it. So here is the answer for it. A very long ago, a prediction was made that people will suffer and die from many diseases never known to mankind. So, the Siddhas assigned Bogar to develop a process by which people can survive this dark phase. So, Bogar created a very strong idol of Murugan, inclusive of all medicines, that is Navapashanam, to aid humans in Kali Yuga. With the consultation of father of Ayurvedic medicine, that is Agasthyar or Agathiyar, and along with other Siddhas, Bogar mixed 9 poisons, that is Navapashanam, and made the master medicine in the form of Lord Murugan idol. Mainly you need to note that the poison here means that it is for the disease, not for the mankind. So, we done with creator and creation. But how to cure people by it? Bogar and others decided that by using the milk and panchamridam, which is the combination of 5 fruits poured on the idol, one can extract the medicinal value from the idol. So, even now, panchamridam is so famous like Tirupati Laddu. The beauty in the temple is that Bogar's Samadhi is inside the hill temple at Palani. It is believed that there is an underground passage here that goes straight away to the foot of main deity Lord Murugan. In Palani, Murugan is called as Baladanda Yudapani, as it is being the 3rd adobe of Lord Murugan in his 6 adobes. Even now, lot of people gather at Palani temple to worship and receive Panchamridam as prasadam. None know that the recipe of this Navapashanam in term of measure and mixture. Based on several research, this Murugan idol's vibrations can be felt. In order to maintain the coolness of the idol, during Panguni month, that is March, that too on Uttara Nakshatram, lots of people carry water in a vessel to temple for Abhishekam. Such a great deity, isn't it? Hope you all are known about the medicinal idol. If you need more videos from our channel, kindly like, share and subscribe MSK Junction. Love you all. See you soon.